Are you wondering how to start fitness after 40? Well, today I have a step-by-step guide just for you. Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel where we're all about empowering your fitness journey, especially for those of us over 40. Today we're diving into a very exciting topic, starting your fitness journey after 40, a step-by-step guide. If you've ever thought you're too late to start getting fit, I'm here to tell you that is not true. Today's guide is designed to help you kickstart your journey to a healthier, more vibrant you. So let's get started. I know starting a fitness journey at this stage in life can seem daunting. You might worry about injuries or perhaps feel you're too out of shape to begin. Let me tell you, these concerns are common, but they shouldn't hold you back. Fitness is achievable and beneficial at any age, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. The first step in your fitness journey is personalization. It's crucial to tailor your fitness plan to your unique needs, goals, and preferences. Start by assessing your current fitness level and setting realistic goals. Remember, your fitness plan should evolve with you, so adaptability is key. Be prepared to adjust your routines as you progress, ensuring they always meet your changing needs. The next step is community and support. You're not alone on this journey. Finding a community or support group can provide motivation, accountability, and even make fitness more enjoyable. Whether it's a local walking group, a yoga class, or an online community, connecting with others can significantly enhance your fitness experience. So now let's talk about the holistic approach when it comes to fitness. Having a holistic approach when it comes to fitness isn't all witchcraft and voodoo. It's essential. This means looking beyond just physical exercise and considering your mental and emotional well-being. Your mental and emotional well-being is the holistic aspect of it. I know when we think holistic, we think a lot of stuff with witchcraft and things like that, but that's not the case with this. So we want to incorporate a variety of exercises into your routine, including cardiovascular, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Don't forget the importance of nutrition, sleep, and stress management. All these elements work together to create a balanced and healthy lifestyle. The next thing we're going to talk about is having a sustainable transformation. Sustainable transformation is key. It's about making incremental changes that you can maintain. Start small, celebrate your progress, and gradually increase the intensity and variety of your exercise. The key is consistency and patience, building a healthier lifestyle one step at a time. And the biggest thing out of the sustainable transformation is celebrating your progress and your wins. Easy way to do this is every pound you lose, put $5 in a jar. When you reach your goal weight or how much you want to lose, go out and buy yourself a new wardrobe because you're going to need it. So celebrating things and rewarding yourself is key. A step-by-step guide to getting started is key, so here it is. You want to have a health assessment and professional advice. Before you start any fitness plan, you want to begin with a comprehensive health checkup and consult with healthcare professionals to tailor a plan suited to you. Next, we want a goal set. We want to clearly define achievable goals and break them down into measurable milestones. So this is where we have smarter goals, we start small, and we have little baby steps to get to the big goal. So if your big goal is to lose 75 pounds, first we want to focus on that first 5. Then we need to look at creating a personalized fitness plan. You want to develop a balanced plan that includes a mix of cardiovascular strength and flexibility exercises tailored to your enjoyment and goals. And you want to do this with a professional, and you should probably hire a coach to do this or join a studio where you have a coach that can help you do this. And incorporating nutrition. You want to pair your fitness routine with a balanced diet, focusing on nutrition that fuels and nourishes your body. Again, all of that information can be obtained through a coach, meal plans, things like that will help you, and it all depends on the exercise route you are going to take. If you're doing yoga, you can have a different balanced diet and nutrition focus than if you're doing cardiovascular high-intensity exercises. How to build a support system. You want to connect with a community or group to stay motivated and accountable. This can be either online with a group of friends or at a personal training studio like Bodies by Colotti that has a community and support system already there. You want to find people who are on the same path and journey as you are. So gradual progression. So we want to start with manageable exercises and slowly building up intensity and duration. You're not going to hop on the treadmill day one and run a marathon. You're probably going to walk half a mile to a mile. You're not going to walk into the gym and deadlift 150 pounds the first time. You also probably shouldn't walk into your first session and start, kettlebell swinging with a 30-pound kettlebell. You want to start small and get the basic movements and form down and correct before you start building and adding weight. Consistency and routine. Establish a regular workout schedule to build lasting habits. Now, this is great if you join a studio and you have to sign up for classes because it gives you an appointment that you have to show up for. You can change the schedule as necessary, or you could be a regular Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 10 a.m. You can come every day at 5 a.m., whatever works in your schedule. Maybe every Monday you can go at 4:30, but Tuesday and Thursday you can go at 4. So find what works for you and build it into your calendar. Now we also need to monitor progress and adjustments. So we need to track your progress and make adjustments to your plan to keep challenging yourself, or you will plateau. And plateauing is normally when people fail because you're no longer seeing results. So as you're progressing, you might need to adjust your calories, adjust your protein intake, lift heavier weights, make sure you're walking more. Things like that are going to help keep you losing, maintaining, gaining strength, whatever your goal might be. We have to adjust along the way. We need to also, of course, listen to our bodies. Be mindful of your body's signals and adjust your activities to avoid overexertion. If you are, let's just say you're a CPA, it's the middle of tax season and it's April 14th. On April 15th, you probably aren't going to be working out because you're beyond exhaustion. You don't want to push past that because that's when you have an injury. And celebrating milestones. Recognize and celebrate every achievement to maintain motivation. Every pound lost, give yourself a high five. Every 5 or 10 pounds lost, celebrate. Put some money in a jar. When you reach that goal of 20, 30, 40, 50 pounds, go out and buy yourself a new wardrobe. If you've given up alcohol or wine to get there, when you've reached that, have a glass. Reward yourself, because looking forward to that award for the achievement is what's going to keep you going. So now that we've gone over that step-by-step guide, I want to hear from you. Are you ready to start your fitness journey? What's one step you can take today towards your health goals? Share in the comments below and let's support each other in this journey. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more motivational content and practical advice to guide you on your fitness journey. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, it's never too late to start working towards a healthier, happier you. With the right approach, support, and a bit of patience, you can achieve your fitness goals and enjoy a more fulfilling life. Until next time, stay motivated, stay healthy, and take the first step towards your new fitness journey. You've got this.